Ngiyakubambisana nebeka African Partner Authorities kanye-ke netinhlangano takhona hulumende wemajalimane bekasekela-ke luhlelo lwe-MAB e-Southern Africa iminyaka-ke leminyenti. Kusukela nga-2018 i-German Commission for UNESCO isekela-ke i-UNESCO Biosphere Reserves. Namhla-ke kuvulwe ngalokusemthethweni-ke umhlangano sikolo wekucucutela-ke i-UNESCO Biosphere Reserves esifundzeni lesentasi ne-Afrika. Lo bekamelele-ke induna yetemfundvo ngu-Under Secretary etikweni letemfundvo Mnumzane Ilungelo Nhlengetwa lovetile waphindze-ke wabonga kibo-ke baka-German Commission ngekusekela lo mhlangano sikolo.
Allow me to express my sincere gratitude to the German Commission for the UNESCO, the UK, for their support of this workshop on the UNESCO MAB program and in promoting the establishment of new biosphere reserves in Southern Africa, strengthening capacities, and to exchange know-how across the region for the past few years, in particular through the funding from the German Federal Agency for Nature Conservation, BFN. We are very grateful that the Kingdom of Eswatini benefited in the financial support right from the inception of the MAB program in 2018 through the cooperation between the Eswatini National Commission for UNESCO and the German Commission for UNESCO. We strongly believe that Eswatini will have a second biosphere reserve by the year 2030. Not forgetting to recognize the technical support that was extended by the Republic of South Africa through the then Department of Environmental Affairs to complete the nomination dossier for the Lubombo Biosphere Reserve, which was designated by the UNESCO MAB International Coordination Council in 2019.
Lo mhlangano sikolo usekelwe kuba khona wa-UN Resident Coordinator longuye umnumzane Mr. George Wachira. Etinzabente eMaswati Channel kubika noNhlanhla Thwala ngina noNtobeko Tshabetse eSummerfield Botanical Gardens.